somewhere else.
The front too much.
Shoulder blade, guys. Keep going.
Nick move. Go.
Shoulder blade, dude.
Get Nick move. Too big to be second. There you go. You can just switch that.
Switch the ball.
Yeah, Nick, please switch it. Oh, shit, they're pushing. I know. Come on, you guys. These are Archer back. That's Costa.
Let's go. You guys gotta go. We all good. John, share some.
Right there.
Hit my shoulder.
What the frick?
Your head on my head. Tommy! I did cut my hair, dog.
Dude, they're pushing it. Pushing his head down. Mikey!
Oh my God!